this is my hair. It ain't, but it is, okay? Hey my honeydews, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys these beautiful clip-ins. I have not worn clip-ins in a long time. I've tried tape-ins for like the last partial install, I guess you can call it, but I haven't worn clip-ins in a long time. And I feel like when you are going through your TWA phase, clip-ins can be really beneficial to help you achieve certain looks. If you guys have been following me like on my Instagram, then you guys may see that I have been doing more like faux locks and cornrows and box braids. But clip-ins will do me justice as well, and it gives me the opportunity to kind of like let my hair breathe and kind of give the look of what my hair would be like if it really was this long. I completely forgot like clip-ins were even an option when it came to like protective styles. So, but luckily Curlsqueen reached out to me and they are sponsoring today's video, so thank you so much. They sent me out a bundle of their clip-ins and I am obsessed. I'll go ahead and tell you all about these clip-ins. So these are the Curlsqueen Water Jerry Curly Clip-In Hair Extension Sets. The texture is reminiscent of a 3C 4A, which is more so my texture. I feel like I have more 4A than 3C. I have 3C definitely like on the edges areas, in this area, in the back. Like it's a mixture. So if you know, you know. And these are 18 inches when stretched. I have the 18-inch clip-ins, which is 215 grams. I'm also going to show over here what it looks like on the website because I kind of was nervous when selecting these, but I figured that these would probably mimic my hair the best, especially in the upper area because it's a looser texture. So we also have a variety of other textures if you want to wear bone straight, if you want some texture in it. I preferably, if I never big chop and I still have my hair, I would definitely go for like a light yaki texture, because when it comes to me and silk presses and trying to find hair that matches that, I prefer to find like a kinky texture where it still has that coarse texture in there and it mimics my hair the best. If you are more so like curly girl and you want to wear natural clip-ins, then I would highly suggest their clip-ins, their curly clip-ins, sorry. I was very nervous. Usually in the past when I have worn clip-ins, I always get 2 sets of clip-ins just because I don't even need a whole set. I just need like 2 extra clips, and that's just my preference. But as you can see, 1 set is enough for one head. I think with it being curly, it definitely helps because it has that volume in the hair. So if there is any gaps anywhere, which I do have, I have a pretty big gap. It's this big. I just pulled it. It's right here. I have a big gap. You would never know because it's curly hair. The packaging was amazing. I love packaging. I'm still a sucker for packaging with makeup, with hair extensions. I'm just a sucker for it. First of all, the hair was inside of a nice durable box, and then they had like this mesh Ziploc bag that had a Tango Teezer brush, but it had their own branding on it. They had an extra set of clips. If there's any wear and tear on your clip-ins, they give you an extra set of clips. Oh, and they had the bonnet. The bonnet I was super duper excited for because you can adjust it. I like that because I feel like sometimes when I do buy bonnets, I end up cutting the elastic sometimes because sometimes I feel like that elastic really squeezes my head. Yeah, so there's 2, that's how they have it measured, is by the inches of the weft. So there's 2 10-inch wefts, 2 9-inch wefts, 2 7-inch wefts, 2 4-inch wefts, and 2 3-inch wefts. The texture of the hair is very similar to a 3C4A. I feel like because it is 18 inches, it is a bit more stretched, which I don't mind, and I think that it looks really good. I was going to shape it, but I didn't want to do that because they're clip-ins, so when I take them out, I might wear them differently next. Or if I want to do a side part, I may not like how it's cut, so I decided not to customize them, but you are more than free to customize them. But on the website, they have, you know, the textures broken down. They have, you know, the differences between jerry curl texture and Afro kinky texture. But yeah, they have a good representation of different textures and clip-ins on the website. They also have wigs and wefts and things like that, but I'm particularly going to focus on the clip-ins, which I freaking love. So I am now 7 months post big chop. I'm not sure if the picture is going to be like my thumbnail of like where my hair is now, but I will show a video here of my hair. This was just a week ago, and my hair is flourishing? That's not the word I'm trying to say. Thriving. I think I said nourishing and thriving together. My hair is thriving, okay? I just really want to give it a fair shot and just enjoy its natural texture. So yeah, I'm 7 months post big chop, and if you are, you know, several months out of your big chop and you're in your TWA phase, I feel like clip-ins really come through. I do not have my entire hair out under the clip-ins. I have cornrows, so I have my hair braided down, and I have a leave out right here on the sides and in the nape. The nape doesn't really matter because I really don't intend on pulling my hair up into a ponytail because it's just a lot of hair. I really like it. This is 2 days. This is the second day I'm wearing this hair. I have not like styled it since I put the clip-ins in, and you'll see that in this video as well. And I went to the gym today. I went and washed my car. I was sweating all day, and it felt so good because when I have my natural hair out, I don't mind sweating because my hair is curly already as it is. It's not going to revert, if you will. So I feel like it's great the way it is, but I don't find myself having to restyle my hair. The only thing that I touched up today were my edges, just because I sweated them out. As you can see, it blends in pretty good. If you see the lump right here, that's the clip-ins, and that's from me like slicking the gel down so it can be laid flat. But it blends in very well. This is my own hair right here. I think it's sticking out. So you can see my own hair right here sticking out, which I really don't mind. You just twist it around. Twist her back in and pop her back in. Like, I completely forgot about clip-ins, and I am loving it. I really like it, but because it's making me feel like this is my hair. It ain't, but it is, okay? I don't know. I plan on wearing this all week long. I'm probably going to take them out next weekend, wash them, and put them back in because I really do like wear my faux locks and things like that. But I like to switch it up. Yeah, that's really all that I have for you guys today. I installed them. You've seen how I installed them. These are very easy to install. If you want, you can definitely, if your hair especially is as long as the clip-ins, you can just part your hair and put the clip-ins. The reason why I'm opposed to doing that with curly clip-ins is because our hair is already thick enough. It's already a lot of hair. You know what I mean? If you want to just fill in some of the pieces, some gaps, sure. You don't have to use a whole set of clip-ins. But if you want to achieve the look without, you know, blending your hair in with the clip-ins, braid it down, baby. Braid it down and put some clip-ins in just like I did. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to go ahead and check out Curlsqueen, I highly recommend you do. I really love these clip-ins. I will have a link in the description box below. I hope you guys are doing well. I miss you guys so much. There will be more content coming on my channel soon, so please bear with me. I am starting to upload shorts just to have something going on my channel, so please check out my shorts. Also, please follow me on my Instagram at quiesha.j. If you want to keep with me, I am on there on a weekly basis, especially my stories. I'm more active on my stories or anything like that. It's just my way of like checking in with you guys. So I'm obsessed. I'm so happy you slid in my email because they're giving what they need to give. I'm loving it. It is what it is. I'm loving them. Really am. Thank you. Thank you all so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on my next one. So until then, peace. 2 fingers.
Wondering what's on your mind. If you like the simple type, I ain't stupid, dumb, or blind. Won't sleep, be a bed of lies. Heard you met her in the club, trying to tell me you were drunk. I can still smell perfume. Nigga, I don't fuck with you. I'm a drinker.